Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are doing well. Today I am in the kitchen making delicious Cuban Mojo country style ribs. I am making two 4-pound packages of ribs, enough for a big family or to have leftovers for another day or two. If you don't want to make this many, this recipe can be divided to fit your needs. Can't wait to show you how I make this Cuban Mojo country style ribs, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. I am cooking the ribs in two 9x13 baking dishes. I have washed and dried the country style ribs. Now I am going to cut each in half. I always like to clean as I go along, especially after handling meat. Let's make the Cuban Mojo. I am using a 4-cup measuring container. This will make it easier to pour the mojo. Pour 2 cups of sour orange or naranja agria into the cup. To the sour orange, I'm adding half of a large red onion and half of a large sweet onion. These are finely chopped. You may also use yellow onion. Add 10 minced garlic cloves. These were large garlic cloves. If you have small garlic cloves, use about 15. Okay, salt. We want this to taste really good. So here I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 and 3 teaspoons of salt. Ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Crush it in my hand. Mix, and that's it. Wow, this Cuban mojo smells so good. I wish you could smell it. Place this to the side. The ribs are ready to soak up this delicious Cuban mojo. Use half for each pan. Make sure each country-style rib is coated with the mojo. Cover the ribs and place in the refrigerator for no less than 3 hours or overnight. To cover the ribs, I am using press and seal wrap by Glad. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take ribs out of the refrigerator and uncover them. Place in a 375-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Take ribs out of the oven and place on a baking sheet. Turn up the heat to the oven to 400 degrees and place ribs back into the oven. for 20 minutes or until golden brown and the fat has crisped. These ribs came out so tender and flavorful. They were delicious. We are going to enjoy them with white rice and homemade black beans. But these Cuban Mojo country-style ribs can be enjoyed with any sides you like. Hope you give this recipe a try. You are going to love it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. We would love to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.